Hey guys, happy Thursday. We are out here in the heart of Midtown. I am back at the Atlanta Women's Club, which is also the Wimbish House. Thank you guys again. They have been using my services to keep their floors maintained for the last 4 years. And we're going to be doing the main level. I do the ballroom every year because they have a lot of weddings and parties here. But I'm going to be doing the main level today. Shout out to Christian. They came and moved the furniture this morning. And also one of my students is going to be meeting me here as well. And then we have to go do another small project once we get the coating down here in Douglasville. But anyway, guys, let me show you what we got going today. It is a beautiful day today in Midtown. All right, so we are in Atlanta, right in the heart of Midtown. All right, so this is where I am, guys. Atlanta Women's Club, which is also the Wimbish House. They have a lot of weddings and events here. So Miss Katrina gave me the like they always do, they give me the access code to the door, and they leave. And let me show you what we got going. So guys, if you look at these floors are not bad, because I did this floor about 4 years ago, but we did not do the UV cure, and they fell in love with my UV cure system. So I've been UV curing the ballroom for the last 2 years. So what we're gonna be doing today, guys, is this area right here, this entire area right here, okay? We're also gonna be cleaning this tile and grout. I can also clean tile and grout. All of this. So guys, you look again, the floors are not bad. Her office, I'm gonna do her office area. Okay. And this area right here, which is still in great shape. Certain pieces of furniture, they did not have Christian to move. So yeah, guys, let me show you what I do every year, because this is where they have a lot of parties and events. Again, this is the Atlanta Women's Club. So there's a lot of history in this place. And I am honored to take care of the floors. So this ballroom, guys, I do this every year. You can still see how good it looks. I think I was here about, 3-4 months ago. To keep it maintained, and this is the perfect example, guys, of keeping the floors maintained so they don't get to the point of return where they have to be replaced or they have to be sanded. All right, guys, so I'm going ahead and get started. I'm going ahead and get this floor screen down. There's my guy Tavares. Yeah, we're not doing the ballroom, we're doing this today. So this is Tavares' first time working with me here at the Wimbish Club. Floor still look good on it. Yeah. Sometimes he's surprised. He's like this. Yeah. But again, guys, this is the point of people who understand maintaining. Okay. All right, guys. Let's get this party started. Stay tuned.
Midtown lights through the windows glow. History in the grain below. Hands that honor, floors that shine. Truman Hardwood, keeping time. Every step's a story in this room. Echoes dance beneath the moon. Sand and screen revive the soul. UV light makes the beauty whole. Oh,
Truman Hardwood taking care of Atlanta's history.
yeah, we shine
In Midtown, where the heart still soars.
Oh, we shine
From Buckhead down to Peachtree doors.
We the light that the
City adores.
mahogany dreams. Hey. Every stroke is precision and gleam. Legacy never looks so new. Atlanta's past reborn through you.
All right, guys. October 16th, we are on our second job of today. We're in Douglasville. This is for a company, a builder, not a builder, but a contracting company. They're doing some work in this house, and someone tried to clean the floors, and they got a lot of smudge and residue on the floor. So what we're going to do today, guys, is screen clean and recoat the floor. We're not doing any UV curing, so I kind of fit this in my schedule. So we just left Midtown, so I'm gonna tie both of these videos into one video. So it's a small job, 891 square feet, screen and recoat, $250 a square foot. Let me flip this around and show you what we're going to be doing here. All right, guys, so we're in Douglasville, Georgia. They gave us access to the house, and the reason why we came to do it today because they have to get it done before the homeowner gets back tomorrow. So if you're looking at it from the camera, the floors don't look bad, and this is a brand new floor too. This is a brand new floor, but you can see some smudges, and it's basically they tried to clean the floor and it caused residue. So what we're going to do, see all right here, guys, see all that? Okay, so we're going to screen these floors, clean them really good, and then put down a top coat on this floor, and then we're going to head back to Midtown and get that floor UV cured so Christian them can move the furniture back. All right, guys, go ahead and get this party started.
Douglasville, another floor later in. Douglasville, riding through the dust with the buffer in hand. Brazilian cherry flows all across this land. No UV light, just muscle and grind. Truman Hardwood built by design. So, sound of the pad when it spins on cue. Cherry floor gleam like the sky so blue. Yo, you hear that wind? That's the storm we bring. Every shot of shine, every cold got bling. When the dust settles and the guns go still, that floor gon' shine in Douglasville. Hardwood soldiers, steady and real. He's the last man standing with that screen and seal.
Echo of the drum.
Like a six-shot spin when Truman step in, you know it's a win. Gun smoke in the rhythm, 808s roll. Recoat mission lock, low controller. Dust fly high, but the finish stay clean. Gloss so mean, it reflect that gleam. From the west to the Ville, you know the deal. See Lee's crew bring that hardwood steel.
Another floor, another floor laid to rest.
Douglasville, another floor laid to rest. Douglasville, another floor laid to rest.
All right, guys, I'm gonna kind of tiptoe in. Floors look amazing. Shout out to my clients for trusting me with this project. It's still a little wet over there. Floors look great. They also too understood that since they were not going to be here, they made the payment before I even started. Floors look great. Oh yeah. And all those marks that were in the floor, you don't see them anymore. Okay, I could probably come over here. Oh yeah, this looks really good. No more scuff marks. All right, nice, 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 nice. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Time to head back to Midtown. All right, guys, stay tuned. We just got back. Floors look great. Ready for the UV curing. So you saw the job we just came from in Douglasville. Again, they reached out to me a few days ago, and they needed that floor done by Friday, so we made it out there to do it while the finish was here drying. About 3 hours. Okay. All right, last time I didn't do the office, but this time we did the office. Looks really, really good. All right, guys, time for the UV curing, and then Christian and them are heading back to move the furniture. All right. Stay tuned. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Another job well done. Thank you again to the Atlanta Women's Club for having us out to do their floors. Makes me feel really good. Hold on, is my phone foggy? Hold on, guys. All right, that's better. All right, guys, so the floors look amazing. I want to call Christian to see how far they're away, because we're about to head out, get back in this traffic, head back to Gwinnett. Tomorrow we have 2 jobs. I got a job back up where we just came from in Temple, Georgia, which is close to Douglasville. And then the job that we did, what was that, Tuesday in Decatur. They were so happy with the services, they have me coming back to do the granite countertops in all the bathrooms. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Thanks again for watching. I think Christian just pulled up. Let me see. I think he just pulled up. Is that him? No, that's not him. All right, guys. Oh, yeah, we also did the tile and grout cleaning as well. Looks amazing. See you in the next one.